Hey friends, welcome to Sweet Red Poppy. I'm Kim and today I'm going to be talking all about Cricut's Design Space for the iPad. One of the biggest struggles I see my readers facing is navigating Design Space. When you first open Design Space, it can be a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through everything you need to know to feel confident while navigating Design Space. A big thanks to Cricut for sponsoring this video. How to download Design Space. If you haven't already, go ahead and download Design Space. To download Design Space, go to www.cricut.com/setup to get started. This will redirect you to the correct place to download the Design Space app for your device. You can also search Design Space in your app store. Once you have downloaded the app, go ahead and sign in. This will bring you to the home screen of Design Space. How to navigate Design Space's home screen. In the top left corner, you'll see this little circle. When you click on it, a menu will appear. Here you can view your profile, select the machine you are using, set up a new machine, manage your Cricut Access account, calibrate your machine, set up custom materials, get additional help, and sign out. When you return to the home screen, you'll notice this bar. It has three different options: Home, Canvas, and Make. Right now we are on the home screen. Click on Canvas to open up a new canvas. You can also open a new canvas by clicking on this blue New Project square. You won't be able to click Make It until you have a file that is ready to be cut. On the home screen, you'll see a variety of ready-to-make projects. These are cut files that have already been designed by Cricut. If you click on one, it will bring you to this screen. At the top, you may see a variety of pictures from the finished product to what the cut file looks like. Below that, you'll see the title of the project as well as the experience level and an estimated time needed to complete the project. As you scroll down, you'll get additional details about the project, including the dimensions, materials needed, and instructions. I love using Cricut's ready-to-make projects. They make it easy to know exactly what you need to create a stunning project. If you're wanting to make the project as is, click on Make It. If you're wanting to customize or change the dimensions of the project, click on Customize. This brings you to a canvas screen where you can edit the file. To go back to the home screen, just click on the X in the top right-hand corner. Canvas. Let's go ahead and click on New Project. This brings you to your canvas. The bottom bar enables you to create and customize design files. Image lets you insert an image from Cricut's library. Here you can search by category or by name. Images with this green A banner are included with the Cricut Access membership. You can download images onto your tablet or phone for use offline by clicking on the image and selecting Download. To insert an image, click on it and hit Insert. Next is text. Text enables you to insert a variety of text onto your canvas. When you click on text, you can scroll through the different options. You can filter by Cricut, System, or All. If you click this filter button, you can also filter text by a variety of different options, making it easier to find what you're looking for. And if you know what your font is called, just use the search bar to quickly find it. Next is Shapes. Here you can insert a variety of shapes onto your canvas. Simply click on the shape you want. From here, you can resize it and make additional adjustments. Upload enables you to insert your own pictures or SVG files. Then we have Actions. The Actions panel has a lot of different options. First, we have Group and Ungroup. These buttons group or ungroup individual layers of a design. Next is Attach and Detach. These are similar to grouping, but instead of just keeping layers together in Canvas, Attach keeps layers in place when you send your design to be cut. Weld allows you to combine two elements into one. Slice acts as a cookie cutter. It cuts shapes, text, and other designs out of the selected image. You'll use Flatten when creating print and cut images. If you want to undo this action, simply hit Unflatten. Duplicate creates an exact replica of the original element. Hide Contour gives you the ability to hide pieces and cut lines from your design. Next, we have Isolate Letters. This option is only available for text. It enables you to edit each letter individually. Moving to the right, we have the Edit button. This is where you will adjust your line type, fill, dimensions, and more. If you are looking to rearrange the order of objects, you'll also come to the Edit button. Next, we have Sync. This lets you drag and drop layers in order to consolidate the materials that you're cutting on. Next, we have the Layers button. This is where you can view each layer of your project. Moving to the right, we have the Undo and Redo button. Click these to undo or redo an action. Then we have Camera. This allows you to have a visual aid of how your design will look on your base. I love using this when I'm designing t-shirts. While you can't take a picture, you can visualize the size and design of the objects. Finally, we have the Settings button. Here you can choose whether or not you want to use metric units, if you want to see a grid, or if you want to see Smart Guides turned on. Smart Guide helps you position and align new objects with ones that are already on your canvas. Now that we've covered some of the buttons in Canvas, let's talk about a few of the smart hand gestures. If you are using Design Space on your phone or tablet, there are a few shortcuts you can use. Swiping enables you to select multiple objects on the screen. You can also select multiple images by tapping and holding the first and doing the same to the second. To undo this action, simply tap on the canvas. Swiping with 2 fingers lets you move around your canvas. This is perfect for when you want to work with larger designs. Double tap auto zooms to see all of the elements on your canvas. And finally, when you pinch using your index finger and thumb, you can zoom in and out. Now you may be wondering, how do I actually cut out my design? Once your design is ready, click Make It in the corner. This will bring you to the Prepare screen. Even if you've used Design Space a lot, you may be surprised at how much you can do on the Prepare screen. In the top left corner, you can choose how many copies of your project you want to make. This is so much easier than individually duplicating your project. Here, you can also view the material size and if mirror is turned on or off. You will see all of your cut mats here organized by color. These colors correspond with the color that you made each object in Design Space. Going back to the Prepare screen, you will see a couple of options on your mat. First, you can rotate or change positions of the designs. At the bottom, you will see the option to use Snap Mat. I love using Snap Mat to easily use up my scraps of vinyl. When you click on this, your camera will turn on, allowing you to take a picture of your mat with the materials already placed on it. Then you can move your elements around on the mat, making sure that you place them exactly where you want. Once you're ready to cut, hit Continue. From here, you will connect to your machine and select your material. If you don't see your material here, go ahead and hit Browse All Materials. Up at the top, you can change the pressure of your machine. From here, just follow Design Space's prompts. It will tell you which tools to load into your machine, which material and color to place on your mat, and when to begin the cut by pressing the blinking C on your machine or the Go button in the app depending on which machine you are using. I love how easy Cricut makes this. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about Design Space for the iPad. If you're interested in purchasing a Cricut machine, be sure to check out the links I've provided in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly crafting and sewing videos and tutorials. I'll see you next week with another crafty video.